You what?
I want to go home and see Gigi and Papa.
Well, they're not going to be here for a little bit.
Well, what's the rest of them?
Tomorrow.
Oh.
Bite. Bite. I... How many fingers?
1,
How many fingers?
2,
How many fingers?
3,
How many fingers?
4,
How many fingers?
5,
How many heads?
1,
Only one head. How many noses?
1.
We're waking up.
Can't see my tongue. Am I touching it?
You can't feel it on your finger?
Hmm.
Can you take your finger out of your mouth?
It was wet. Not too really soft. Is there a foot next door?
I have no idea. But if there is, you're disturbing them because you're very loud.
Excuse me.
Bite.
I'm not sure if we even need a drill in there, but that one's got a 702 on it.
Bite down.
I got this very good.
Really? Can you take your fingers out of your mouth?
Thank you very For everybody. Oh, sweet.
Not yet.
Sorry, I can't.
Hey, Ash. Rawr.
I love you too. You know when you say elephant food?
It sounds like I love you.
Yeah. Well, it sounds like
It looks like it.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna sit you up.
Okay.